everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make two kinds of airplanes. The first kind, you have this paper. Since you looked on the book, right here, I put it here, and then you just fold it on the top layer, like this. Look right here, I'm going to fold it like this. See it? And do the same on this side right here. Now when it's like this, you fold again on this side of the paper. Like this. You see it? It's already like this. Then fold it to the corner right here again. And do this on the other side too. And now you got this. It looks like a sphere, but it's not. And then when it's like this, you fold it right here.
Hello.
Like this. Fold it in right here. Okay. Look on the paper. You see it right now. And then you fold it in. Oops. Accidentally did that, but that's nothing. Like this. And then look carefully now. See this, right? When you see this, you start to fold this to the line on the paper. Everyone you see. Well, this is the line. You see it. And the line in the middle, you fold it. Right here's the line, and you can see the line. And then you fold this to that. Like this. I told you to fold this to that. You fold it like this. And do it the same on the other side. Now you got the paper airplane like this. You open. And ta-da! It's a paper airplane. If you like to design it, put drawings. Watch this. Watch this. Wait for it. Wait for me. Just gonna... quay qua đây nè. Alright. 3. Không quay lại đây chứ. 2. 1. Nice. Okay, let's put it back here. And now you got your first paper airplane.
Thank you.
This is your second one. So, if you look like this, you see the paper right here. The first step is just like the other plane. Fold it here and the same to that side. Now wait me for a bit here. Done. Now you see it's like this. You fold the top point down here. Top point here. Fold it down here. Now, look. Now it should be like this. Like a mailbox, but it's not really one. So, next, fold this edge to here. To the corner, right here. Or maybe up here for better reasoning. And then you fold this side on there too. Done. Got a little bit mess there. But here. Now you got it like this. Fold the top point up here. Like that. Now as you see I'm molding it like this. You see this, it's folded up. This side, go to this side and fold it like that in, and that side like that too. I might just fold one side like this down here, and then you fold it up, and that side up too. And now it should be like a dart. You open it, and on my camera. 3, 2. On the count of 3, this airplane will fly. Subscribe if it makes it there, and like if it doesn't. 3, 2, 1, and blast off. That was a pretty diagonal line. Thanks for watching my channel today. See you. And also remember to like and subscribe. For the project anyway.